In this video, I'll be showing you how to add a trail to your custom Saber. So, to add a trail to your custom Saber, what you'll need to do is you'll want to just disable the right Saber, and then on the left Saber, add a custom trail component. So just search for custom and then add the script. So the first thing you'll want to do is you'll want to create a trail material. So just create a folder called materials, right click, create, and then select material. Now I'm just going to call this trail material, but you can call it whatever you want. So for the shader, I'm going to use the particles additive shader for my trail. You can use other shaders as well if you want, but I'm going to use this one because it treats black as transparency. Then you can have a trail with a black background and a white trail, and it will show up like that. Now for the next step, you'll need to have a trail texture. I'm not going to show you how to make a trail texture because I'm not very good with that. I'll leave a link in the description to a GitHub repository which has some free trails that you can use. Once you've got your trail texture, you just want to drag it into Unity the same way that you did with your Saber. Anyway, so once your trail texture is in Unity, you'll just want to click on select for the particle texture and use whatever trail you want. I'm going to use one of my trails, which is this one. And then once you've got this, you'll just want to go back to your Saber and drag the trail material into the trail material slot. Now since this is a left Saber, you'll want to select left Saber for the color type. You can also change the length of the trail. I'm just going to change it to 16, but you can change it to whatever you want. In the next step, we'll decide how wide our trail will be. So to do this, you'll want to right click on left Saber and then create an empty object. Select that object and press Ctrl D to duplicate it. Now name one of these objects trail start and the other one trail end. Once you've created those, you'll want to move trail end to the very tip of your Saber. So just make sure that it's at the tip. That's good, I think. And then you'll want to select trail start. Just move trail start to wherever you want the trail to start appearing. Once you've done that, you'll want to click on left Saber again, and then move trail start to the point start area, and move trail end to the point end area. Once you've done that, you can disable the left Saber, re-enable the right Saber, add a custom trail component, and then you'll want to duplicate trail start and trail end, move them to right Saber. I'm just going to rename them. Then you'll want to drag trail start to point start, trail end to point end, drag in your trail material, set the color type to right Saber, set the length to whatever you set the other one, so mine's 16. And yeah, once you've done that, your trail should be working. If you want to preview your trail before going in game, you can create a new 3D object as a plane and then drag your trail material onto it. So this is what mine looks like. I think that looks pretty good. So I'm just going to delete that. And yeah, once you've done that, you'll want to save. Click on Window, Saber Exporter, name your Saber, and export it. Now once you've exported your Saber, you should be able to try it in game. Just make sure that you've put it in the custom Sabers folder. Also, if you are curious, here's how the Saber looks like in game.